This girl is
Teacup.
Teacup?
Yeah.
Huh?
Looks like a teacup.
Lol. Wait. Okay, guess this guy now.
Strawberry.
Okay, okay. Guess this girl. Just name her, not about the object.
I don't know.
Just name her what you kind of feel about her vibes. So you're just gonna say lamp?
Lamp girl. Tisha.
Okay. Guess it.
Tisha.
This is the first one you got correct. Guess her.
Only Tisha. I don't
Just guess her. Just guess her name. Blue? Ah. Anyways, guess this girl. She's a cat. She's a paper cat. Just try to guess her name.
Hello cat.
Okay, wait. What about this girl? Yes. Do you not see these lashes? Guess her name. By the way, she's a TV. Yes.
Tally girl.
Why Tally girl? What about this guy? He's a fanboy. just name him.
Yeah, Cloudy. Cloudy boy.
Cloudy. Guess this guy.
Roll cake.
Roll cake.
Espresso cake. Espresso coffee.
Espresso cookie coffee?
I don't know who
Guess this fishbowl.
Fishbowl?
He's a guy. He's a fishbowl.
How is he a fishbowl?
Do you not see his flipping face?
No.
This is his face.
But he doesn't look like a fishbowl.
There is a fish inside his head. Now guess the cat. Now guess. Who is he? Just name him.
Fishbowl.
Why fish boy?
Oh, this is a fishbowl.
Oh my god. Now this guy.
I remember him.
This guy.
I forgot his name.
What's his name?
I don't know.
Just guess his name. Ha! Guess his name.
Square root.
Square root.
Because it's square root.
You fi-